Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. My name is Nishi. How are you guys? So this is your September's reading and it's a general reading, so I'm going to be looking at things that you can expect in the month of September. Also, in the end of the video we will also check your person's current feelings towards you, the next move and the outcome of the connection. Okay, I'm going to be also giving you love notes. It's like SOS messages that you need to hear, must hear, so stick around. I'll give you letters of the partners, the potential letters that you may have for your partners. Okay, and also this is a new deck that I created for you guys for any time based question that you may have. Okay, so we will see that also in the end of the video, so stick around till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that, and also click on the notification bell icon so that anytime I upload any reading you will be notified. Okay, so let's get into your reading directly. We'll start with Moonology. Okay, this is for Sagittarius spirits. This is for Sagittarius. This is for Sagittarius for the month of September. What do you have for my Sagittarius in the month of September? Sorry, I just thought there is a different card. Okay, no. This is for Sagittarius in the month of September. Okay. So we have two cards for you, Sagittarius. Bring love into the situation. So is there a situation, Sagittarius, in your life that needs to be handled with more love and care, or you feel that there is more empathy required when it comes to this particular situation? Okay, it's time to release the negativity, Sagittarius. In the month of September, be very careful with negative thinking because you will see it coming through in your environment. Okay, so anything that you think will come through, so make sure what you're thinking is the right thing. Okay, so let's see what you need to hear from the Work-Light Oracle. This is for Sagittarius. Okay, so the card that I got for you is Sisterhood of the Rose, Beauty and Devotion, Priestess, Mystic Teacher. September is the time, Sagittarius, when you need to start preaching others, teaching others, and also teaching to yourself. Okay, sisterhood is nothing but it's your soul tribe. It's the people of your soul tribe. Okay, and you need to handle them with beauty and devotion and care. Okay, you need to teach them, you need to learn from them. So basically I can say that, you know, September is a month of you kind of you know, be more involved with people around you. Okay, people of your soul tribe, learn lessons from them and teach them new things. Okay, keep yourself open for, exactly, this is what it is saying. Keep yourself open to bring love into the situation. Okay, also we have Unbound for you, releasing soul patterns, contracts and past lives. I got the same card for Aquarius as well, so some of you might be dealing with Aquarius. Okay, well, okay, so this card actually talks about you releasing any karmic connection, any past life connection, or any unfinished business karmic burden that you may be having with some situation or with someone. Okay, and really moving on into your life. You may be holding on to certain situations, certain people in your life that should have been released by now. Okay, and the spirits are guiding you towards unbinding yourself. Okay, having a fresh new beginning and finishing, or you know, being done away with all the old patterns and karmic burdens that you may have with someone. Okay, sometimes we have unfinished business from people from past lives, right? Okay, let's get into your tarot reading. Spirits, this is for Sagittarius. I'm not getting the proper camera angle. This is for Sagittarius. This is for Sagittarius. Doing this spread for Sagittarius for the month of September. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, well, that's a very unexpected spread. So Sagittarius, the overall energy is the 10 of Swords. Okay, something has ended here, and it ended really bad. I see you guys in a lot of pain, and I'm sending hugs and healings to you guys. Okay, but the best part about 10 of Swords is that, you know, things blossom again from a new stage, a new level after this. Okay, because 10 of Swords indicates the maximum pain that a person can go through. Okay, there is no pain after this, and you become a new you after 10 of Swords. Okay, I see you. Okay, hold on, we'll start with this. Your challenge is the Hermit. Your challenge is really being in solitude and, you know, doing a soul searching, really asking questions to yourself. What is it that you want? Okay, what is it that is causing you pain or blocking you from walking away? Okay, blocking your progress in life. Okay, there are a lot of questions in your mind, but some of you may not be getting time to actually answer those questions, because either you may be surrounded with a lot of people. Okay, maybe you live in a joint family, big family, and you don't have time for yourself, or maybe there are a lot of unnecessary people in your life that you may need to cut off, if not permanently, at least temporarily, until you figure out what is it that you want. Okay, so that's the challenge. The challenge is really going within and asking what is it that you want for yourself. Okay, I'm seeing you releasing the Hangman situation. So I think for the most of you guys, I feel like you guys are very stuck, very stuck on a particular situation. But in the month of September, I see you guys releasing, overcoming that situation. Okay, overcoming that stuck energies that you had. Okay, I see you guys surrendered, completely surrendered yourself in the past in this situation. Okay, and you have actually gone through experiences that have made you a mature person. So now in the month of September, when you come out of this stuck energies, you are a different person. Okay, with a different perspective. You have learned new things from your own experiences, right? So you are a more learned person now than you were before. I'm seeing you guys either physically traveling, and if this is not a physical travel, then it's just you getting into a more calmer zone. Okay, so all this while you may be feeling that you are going through a lot of turmoil. Okay, and now finally in the month of September, I see that peace and calm coming towards you. Okay, for some of you guys may be relocating as well, changing the city, changing the country. Okay, we'll have to clarify that card in a moment to see what it is. What is coming towards you is the Two of Swords. So this could be either someone who is at crossroads, who wants to come and talk to you and, you know, want your advice, or it could be your energy as well, that you are unable to make a decision when it comes to a certain situation. Okay, we'll have to clarify this card and see what it is. The outcome is the Devil. So there's a lot of obsession here. Sagittarius, just make sure that you don't get obsessed in or don't get into a situation which is toxic. Okay, this could also be somebody that you're very tied up to, and I think that is why you got this card. Where is that card? Unbound. Okay, you may be in some sort of karmic relationship. You see this, you got the card Unbound, which is telling you, which is asking you to untie yourself. Okay, and now we got the Devil card in your outcome in the month of September. So there is somebody that you need to untie with, because this is very toxic, Sagittarius. Okay, we'll have to clarify this card in a moment to see what it is. In your heart there is 8 of Wands, so this is either somebody walking towards you or you waiting for some sort of news. I feel like you guys, most of you guys are waiting for some sort of news. Okay, I'm going to clarify that card and see what it is. So let's get into your reading directly. Can you please clarify the 10 of Swords? Why is there a 10 of Swords? Why 10 of Swords? Okay, it looks like a marriage ended here. A relationship, a marriage, an engagement. Okay, something related to love. Yeah, definitely. For the most of you, I'm getting marriage. Can you give me one more card on that? Can you give me one more card on that? Destination, 5 of Wands. Okay, I feel like, first of all, this was all destined to happen. Okay, in your case, Sagittarius, because there were certain lessons that you had to learn. Okay, there were certain things that you had to realize for your betterment, for the betterment of the person with whom things have ended. Okay, for the both of you, this was all destined to happen. Okay, I also feel like there was a lot of drama and chaos when it comes to a particular person or a situation. Okay, 5 of Wands here. So either in this commitment, in this relationship, there was an involvement of a lot of people who created a mess out of this relationship and things have ended. Okay, and if it is not that, then it's just misunderstandings. Okay, maybe you two had a lot of misunderstandings. Okay, or not, sometimes Sagittarius, we just want to talk, we want to talk, but we don't want to listen. Okay, this is that kind of card for me, where people are just talking, everybody is talking, everybody wants to be heard, but nobody wants to listen. Okay, so maybe you were in that sort of relationship with somebody. Could be a Taurus, could be an Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so whoever you were in relationship with or married to, or maybe in a living relationship, engaged or something, this person was not a listener, or maybe you're not a listener. Okay, you guys, both of you guys, just wanted to prove your point, wanted to prove that I am right, but in fact, you never know, right? You never know unless you hear both the sides. You never know. Wow. So to clarify the Hangman, I got the 8 of Wands, which is also in your heart. 8 of Wands. Okay, okay, we have 3 of Cups and we have the Chariot. Okay, Hermit, which is your challenge. Okay, bottom of the deck we have Hermit. So to clarify the Hangman, we have the 8 of Wands, the 3 of Cups, the Chariot. I feel like some of your friends, for some of you, I feel like your friends, your family, colleague, relative, somebody known, somebody you have a friendly connection with, has really helped you overcome this situation, this stuck energy. Okay, somebody is helping you or has helped you in the past to overcome this. Or there is another situation where I feel that you probably had some connection. Okay, this stuck energy is with regards to a friend or a mutual friend or somebody known, because we have a 3 of Cups here. Okay, so there is someone you know. Okay, this person could be a Cancer, could be an Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, this person is very two-minded person. Okay, like one moment they say something and the next moment they say something else. Okay, so there is a loss of focus when it comes to this person. Okay, you may find this person a little flickery when it comes to commitment. So they commit, they say something and then they don't fulfill it. Okay, and you have a problem with that. I'm also seeing an involvement of a third party to me. So maybe, you know, the situation, there is a situation of flicker mindedness, could be because of some mutual friend or some relative or family member, right? So this person might be under the influence of friends, family, or somebody who was, you know, guiding them or controlling them or telling them that, you know what, you do this, you know, you do some, you know, there are some people who negatively influence you, right? So this person maybe was in the negative influence of some third party. Okay, which has made things go worse. Okay, clarify the 6 of Swords, please. Ace of Swords, that's you breaking through, getting clarity. 4 of Swords, wow. Okay, can I get one more card? Okay, so we have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, I'm seeing you guys, oh my god, look at that, bottom of the deck. Okay, so in order to clarify the 6 of Swords, I got the Ace of Swords, the 4 of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. For some of you guys, I feel like you guys are breaking through. Okay, you guys are getting clarity, because I told you, right, you guys have been too stuck for quite some time. You gained a lot of experience and you learned a lot from this particular situation that was keeping you stuck, that may have ended in the past. Okay, and now you got a lot of clarity. Okay, you're getting a lot of clarity, which is helping you heal. This is helping you heal. Okay, so you have taken a step back. Okay, I see you not mingling with a lot with people, not socializing much. You, some of you may have, you know, even deleted your WhatsApp or Instagram or whatever those social media sites, and just, you know, healing yourself, because you know that you require healing. Okay, and now I see you that you're slowly moving. Okay, so some of you, I feel like you guys may be literally physically traveling. Okay, and if this is not a physical travel, then slowly and steadily you are coming back to track. Okay, so you may have lost your track in the past because of this situation, but then I see you coming slowly back to your track. Okay, back to basics basically. Okay, wow, that is beautiful. But in any situation, things are looking a lot better than how it was in the past. Okay, I'm going to clarify the 2 of Swords. Please clarify the 2 of Swords. What is it that's coming towards my Sagittarius? Why 2 of Swords? Okay, 7 of Pentacles, the 6 of Wands. Okay, Seven of Wands and the Moon. Eight of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, the Moon, the 7 of Wands. There's a lot of resistance here. There is a lot of resistance. So there is someone who is coming towards you, Sagittarius, who wants to work things out with you. Okay, but then there is a lot of resistance here. Okay, so this person is coming up to talk. Maybe they want to talk, but then they are hiding a lot of things from you. Okay, and this is what you don't like, because you feel like every time this person talks to you, they are not completely truthful to you. Okay, this person is not completely truthful. They don't tell you the whole story basically. So it's like whenever this person talks, they talk half truth and half is what they have hidden. Okay, and you always have this feeling that this person always keeps their guards up. Okay, so when I say keep their guards up, they are protecting their heart, they don't want to get hurt. Okay, but then if you keep protecting your heart, you will lose that essence of vulnerability, right? Being vulnerable to someone, when you completely surrender yourself to someone, you be vulnerable to them, is when you catch the essence of that person. Okay, and you always have this feeling that you are not able to catch the essence of this person because they always keep their guards up, they always tell you half story. Okay, this person is very, very indecisive when it comes to you, or if this is not them, then this is you, because energies can be reversed as well, right? So take how it resonates. This could be you or them, but somebody is very indecisive because the other person is not telling the complete truth here. Okay, and things, not everything is on the table. Okay, and that is why taking decision is hard. Can I get one more card please for the devil? Queen of Swords, Empress. Okay, so the devil is clarified by the Six of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Queen of Swords. Again, there are a lot of swords in your card. Definitely some of you are dealing with Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so though I am seeing in the outcome you have devil, which is somebody or some energy which is very toxic. Okay, this is only telling me that both of you have a lot of ego, first thing. Okay, so this could be you or them, but somebody wants to necessarily making things difficult. Okay, not necessarily, intentionally making things difficult in this connection. Okay, and not facing each other, not facing the truth of each other. Both of you or one of you wants to win. Okay, this connection is like a trophy for them. They just want to win, control everything. Okay, because devil is a card of control, right? So somebody just wants to control the whole situation because that satisfies their ego. Okay, I see not much communication here, so communication is definitely an issue here. And also when there is communication, it's more like a very transactional communication. Okay, it's a very transactional communication, though Six of Cups is a soul card, so you guys may be soulmates. Okay, or very old friends. Okay, I'm seeing both of you have equal love for each other, so there is no lack of love, but there is a lot of ego and there is a lot of competition here. Okay, it's like nobody wants to give up, because Queen of Swords will never give up, and Five of Swords, this guy doesn't give up. Okay, so both of you does not want to give up. Both of you are like I said here, right? I got the same feeling here that either both of you wants to talk here. I told you, right? Five of Wands I got initially. I told you guys that I feel like both of you just wants to talk and nobody wants to listen. Okay, I'm getting the same feeling here that both of you wants to you guys are mirroring each other. Okay, both of you want to talk and tell their truth, but nobody is interested in listening to the other person, and that is why there is a difference. Okay, there is a strong desire to control things here, which is creating a very toxic energy. Okay, Eight of Wands clarified by the Six of Swords, which is also in the month of September. Lovers. Can you give me one more card please? Can you give me one more card please? my god, look at that. I did not clarify your challenge. I'll have to do that as well. So in your heart there is 6 of swords, there is 2 of cups, and there is lovers. Oh my god, there is so much love. There is so much love you carry for a particular person, but you are so not able to decide. And this is you. This is you waiting to decide something. Okay, you guys may be waiting for some news that will give you more clarity on this situation. Okay, in your heart. And 8 of wands with the 6 of swords, this could be travel also. Some of you might be either traveling or wanting to travel to meet your lover. Okay, because you want to perhaps make a decision. Okay, you want to make a very significant decision here with your lover, and you might be traveling for that. Okay, maybe you guys have decided to meet and you're traveling to meet with that person and to talk things out. Okay, or if this is not physically happening, then this is just in your heart, energetically you want to do that. Okay, can you clarify the Hermit? Wow, 6 of Pentacles and the Emperor. Some of you might be dealing with an Aries as well. 7 of Cups and the Queen of Wands at the bottom. Okay, so the Hermit is clarified by the 6 of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the 7 of Cups. So like I said, there could be a lot of confusion, and that is why you are not able to be in that solitude and make a decision here. Okay, I feel like there are a lot of people in your life, Sagittarius, right now, and there could be some unnecessary people that you have in your life. Okay, do you see that? I feel like there are a lot of unnecessary people in your life who drain your energy. Okay, who literally drain your energy, which is not giving you time to actually have some time for yourself, basically, because they drain you so much. Okay, I also feel like there are some people who wants to either take your money, okay, or need your help because you have got money, you have got good leadership skills, they know that you can help them, so they may be just clinging on to you for help, and which is not giving you time for yourself, basically. Okay, so basically there are a lot of unnecessary people is what I'm getting. Okay, and if this is not people, then this is unnecessary situations. Okay, you may have given commitment, or you may have tried your hands on different things, and now it's just too much to handle, and that you're not getting time for yourself. Okay, this could be that as well. Wow, oh my god, that was a very big reading. 31 minutes, I cannot believe that. Okay, what is the advice for my Sagittarius, please? What is the advice for my Sagittarius for the month of September? Spirits. Maturity. Maturity. Your advice is to really use the experiences that you have gained in the past, Sagittarius. All the experiences that you have gained so far, use them to make a wise choice. Okay, use them to make wise decisions. Maturity is what you need to be acting like a mature person. Okay, so that is your advice, and let's get into your person's reading. Okay, if you are in connection with someone, when I say your person, whoever comes into your mind first is your person that you are energetically tied up to, okay, or connected with. So we're gonna be looking at your person's current feelings towards you, their next move, and the outcome of the connection. Now make sure that, please know that this is just a potential outcome, and the outcomes, the future outcomes, can be changed by free will. Okay, so you are the driver's seat, you decide your future, nobody else. I can only tell you where all this is leading you to. Okay, towards. Okay, this is for Sagittarius person, spirits. This is for Sagittarius person. This is for Sagittarius person. What are their current feelings? Okay, lovers. Wow, Gemini energy. I told you guys, right? Some of you might be dealing with an air sign. I'm getting a very strong feeling that this could be a Gemini. So if you haven't checked Gemini reading, please go and check that out. Okay, so this person loves you a lot because there is a Lover's card, which is a soulmate connection. They know that you are a very significant choice when it comes to love. Okay, but then they are still very indecisive. I think the decision is yet to be taken. Okay, they still haven't taken a decision here. They need to make a decision, and that is their current feelings towards you, right? Because they love you a lot. They really love you. There is no doubt about it with that Lover's card. Can you please give me the next move? Two of Wands. Oh my god, this person is still deciding. Okay, can you see? This person is still deciding. They are weighing their options. I think this person, they might have multiple choices in love. Okay, and you are one of the significant choice that they have, and they might be weighing up their options with you and with others and see which one would be better. And if they don't have multiple choices, then it's just they trying to make a decision when it comes to you, because Lover's card is also a card of decision making, and Two of Wands is also a card of decision making. Okay, so they still haven't made any decision when it comes to you. Two of Wands is not non-movement card. Okay, so I don't see much movement from them, at least in the month of September, because they're still deciding. Okay, can you give me the outcome of the connection, please? Knight of Cups and the Three of Cups. Okay, so this person might propose to you. Oh my god, look at that, we have Page of Cups at the bottom. So this person might propose to you in maybe in next 3 months. Okay, so it's like you will hear for them, they'll call you for a meeting. Hey, you know what, let's catch up for a coffee and stuff, and they will take you there and they'll confess their feelings and how much they love you and how much they want to be with you, right? But I see this person definitely expressing their love, and you can expect them in next 3 months. Okay, next 3 months. Wow, that was a wonderful read. And now we will see the SOS love messages and guidance that you need to hear. That is a must for you. Spirits, this is for Sagittarius. What do you have for them? What do they need to hear right away? What do they need to hear right away? Okay, so I've got 3 cards for you. It's happening for you, not to you. Trust the process, Sagittarius. So if you feel that nothing is happening for me, things are so stuck, and you know what, I'm not good enough, and nothing good happens to me, the spirits are telling you, please do not think like that, because they're already working for you. Okay, you may not see it because things are not happening to you, but they're happening for you in the background. Okay, so you need to trust the process. You need to trust your spirit guides. Your people love you. Don't take them wrong. Okay, so if you have a feeling that they hate me so much, they're so jealous of me, they never take care of me, could be your parents. Sometimes we do have that things, right? When we have siblings, they feel like we are less loved or we are less important. the spirits are telling you do not have that feeling, because they love you, you know. Expressing love for different people is different, right? And I've got Jan, Feb, March, so these could be relevant months for you. Expect something powerful in these months. Okay, wow, that was so beautiful, Sagittarius, for you. Now I'm going to give you some letters. Okay, letters that you can. Now this is a general reading, guys. Of course not everybody, the letters will resonate, but I'm gonna still give it to you. Now this could be relevant letters. Either your person's name might be starting with this letter, or something relevant, or your name could be starting with this letter. Let's see, spirits, can you give me some letters for my Sagittarius? Okay, so I've got A, I've got B, and I've got I think this is U. Okay, I know you guys can't see, it's very small. I've got E, I have got N, and I have got O. I've got another O, F. Where is F? Okay, F. I've got S, and then I've got I, G, and X. Okay, so these could be relevant letters. Now this could be your letter, your person's letter, their house, their whatever. Okay, house number or anything. I'm getting one name here, Sophie, SOFI. Okay, one name is definitely coming out of this. Do I have any other name? No. N I S A, Nisa, NISA, Nisha could be someone's name, Nisha. I've got Nisha, I've got Sophie, I've got FO, Fox. Fox could be relevant. Okay, anyways, I've told you guys the letters, you can make the names out of it if you want to. Okay, now it's time that you ask a time-based question, and I will. Oh god, come on, the energies are too scattered today. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna pick that up later. I'm just gonna give you, please ask a time-based question. You can pause the video and concentrate, and I'll give you the answer. Okay, spirits, this is for Sagittarius. Please advise me. Please advise me. Please advise me. This is for Sagittarius. Please advise me. Spirits. Okay. I've got a no for you, Sagittarius. Anyways, so that's about your reading, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.